This 2023 Forest River Sunseeker 2850 SLEF is a Class C RV. It is located in Scott, Louisiana, 70583 and is offered for sale by Gauthiers RV Center. This new Forest River is 31 feet 6 inches in length and features one Slideout, a Vermont Oak, SLATE interior, sleeps 8, auxiliary battery, oven, air conditioning, refrigerator, Colorado Detector, stove top burner, smoke detector, Skylight, water heater, Awning, and 44 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features bunk over cab, couples coach, mid-kitchen, rear bedroom. This 2023 Forest River Sunseeker 2850 SLEF is built on a Ford E450 chassis and is powered by a Triton engine. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Gauthiers RV Center, visit RVUSA.com.